finally made it to Nashville, Tennessee. It was a 4-hour flight stuck in between two people like this, but we're here. No big deal. As you saw, I got the Tacoma. Cannot say no to a Tacoma. So it's a nice bright orange one, so no one will be able to miss me. So anyway, we're gonna head to the car wash show. Very excited. Do not know what to expect. I've never been to one before, but we're gonna check it out. Say hi to some folks and see what's going on with the MONEXgroup. I'll be at the booth. Going on in. Car wash show. It's open, amazing. Level 3. So here we are in the front of the car wash show. We're about to go in and it's huge. I had no idea how big it was. So you got all these different exhibitors, all these people showcasing their products. But it's kind of cool seeing all the latest innovative technology for car washes. Strong guy. You got a Dixmoor timer booth. I use the Dixmoor, these are the ones I use, the LED 7s. That you can see how many different types they have. And then obviously one of my favorites, the air dryer. I actually like the Air Logic a little better. And then look at this, they got a whole automatic car wash setup. American Car Wash Supply. Could almost go walk through that. Making me dizzy just watching it. Hey, what's that? MONEXgroup Credit Cards. And this isn't even their booth. Look at the size of that. Huge. Compared to my hand. Look how big that coin box is. Very cool looking. Hey, cash counters. Look at that one. 4-stacker. Oh my goodness. Coin counters. Kind of an old school looking machine. It's kind of cool. Clop. Now that's something familiar to me. What, we got a couple of treadmills there for people that want to exercise, lose some weight. We got a sports racing car here. And you can see up top all the big main ones. I think Clean Right's up over there. You got Etowah Valley. But I'm on my way to the MONEXgroup booth, which is why I'm here. Same as my cat pump. You got the solenoids, the flow jet pumps. It's kind of like an all-in-one system. Here we have a bunch of different vacuums. The one up on the wall with the big long hoses. We got a power vac. We got some air. And we got the vac and the air. That's a nice setup. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. It's the Bayou Brit.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
There's Bayou, here's Brit.
Oh, yeah. Bayou and Brit.
How are you enjoying the
nice.
show?
It's pretty fun, you know.
Is it larger than you anticipated?
It's huge.
Yeah.
It's huge. I can only imagine how long it took them to set this place up. And just to see all the latest technology of things that I need and things that I could only ever dream of is pretty cool.
Yeah, I think there's some air fresheners I can afford in here, and that's about it.
Look at this dog wash. Looks like it's coming from outer space. That's kind of cool. So even like arrows like this. This is what I need right here. So we got the touch one, maybe a little soft touch. I don't see my touchless. Look at these vacuums. It's a pretty good setup actually. You got the covers for the protect you from the sun, keep you in the shade. Yeah, very cool setup. Again, gonna cost a pretty penny. Here's the touchless arms. Let's see if we can see my one. My one won't even be here because I got the cheap one. But it's kind of similar to that. Lots of brushes, lots of brushes. Oh my goodness, it's a Tesla Cybertruck. Can't just walk past that and ignore it. Oh my goodness. First time I've seen one up close. I've seen them on the roads. Interesting. I may have to sit in it if I'm allowed. So I found the Monex Group, it's right behind me. I think I'm going to sneak up on the guys and try and ask them a few questions and see, because you've heard me talk about Monex a lot, you know, show you the example on how to use it. Now let's talk to the experts about it. So let's ask some questions, see what they have to say about their own Monex Group terminals. Here at the Monex booth at the car wash show in Nashville, we got the main man John here.
I don't know about main man, but okay, I'm a man.
You are the main man, and he's going to explain to you the way that I don't in my videos how the Monex Group terminals work. So
You do a great job, Chris. Much better than what I'm going to do. But anyway,
No.
I'll try my best to keep up to you. So yeah, here's the UVX. This is the solution that you've been talking to your viewers about for quite a while now.
Yep.
This device here has been made and designed for car wash. So we started the company. The company's been around for 20 years. This particular device is the 5th generation of its kind. The first one was modeled in 2017.
Nice.
So this is the newest version. As you can see in this particular case, it has 4 different price points. So this is a countdown scenario.
Yep.
You select the price point.
Probably familiar to my viewers because
Yes,
this is
sir.
the one I have. I have the countdown.
That's
A
it.
lot of others have a count up, but it's
right.
a personal preference.
So you just hold it up. Card reads it. Okay, within seconds it will send, receive.
Approval. Done.
You have your approval. Car wash starts. Away you go.
What are we going to start with? The pre-soak?
Pre-soap sounds good to me.
So that's as easy as it is. You can see the timer is counting down.
That's right.
And customers love it. I've seen so many customers at my car wash tap their phone on,
That's right.
and they come up to me and say, "Oh, we love tapping the phone on. It's so easy."
Yeah, simple.
So, you
For a
know,
car- and for an operator owner, the nice thing about it is you can integrate with almost any kind of timer. So
Nice.
because we've been around for so long, we've been able to integrate with pretty much any timer that's on the market.
yep,
So whether you have a Dixmoor, whether you have a Jinsan timer, whether you have, and you name the timer, we can integrate.
yep.
Count up, count down, not a problem for us.
Let's show the count up quickly because I know most car wash owners. Would you say most request time up?
Yes.
Count up,
I would
for sure.
say so. First of all, as far as revenue generation, it's a much better option than count down.
Yeah.
So a lot of car wash owners that we're finding are going to count up. Even if they had count down before, if they were coin only,
Yep.
they've switched. Sometimes they switch their timers to count up.
Yep.
And this will work just as well.
Definitely. Well, let's tap it on and there it is. Card read, sending, receiving,
right.
approval, and there it is. Equipment in use.
And there's a stop function, a stop button.
Yep.
You can click on that if you wanted, or we can create an external stop button for you.
There you go. You just
Hold and press. There you go. It's amount to use $1. And
Done.
You can go up and set the pre-auths as much as you want.
Yeah.
We recommend $15.
so that's what it'll cap out at.
Yeah.
All right,
But
cool.
You can go as high as you want. 20, 25, 30. This is as much as your clients will, I guess, tolerate.
Yeah.
But typically we recommend $15.
So another thing about the Monex Group is we get so many good compliments that the customer service is on point. You know, a lot of competitors, I've had a lot of complaints to me on Instagram, personal messaging saying, I'm with this company and I just can't get a hold of customer service. And that's one thing about the Monex Group, which I love and so many other people love, is the customer service is on point.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
I mean, I've been hanging out with these guys for 2 days and they've been pretty fun, so.
Yeah, one of the things, thank you for that, Chris. I appreciate that. One of the things about our companies, we pride ourselves on customer support. We have an account manager that deals with you directly. You're not going to call You know, if you're a merchant, you're not going to be calling just a random person who doesn't understand your car wash, doesn't know your problems, doesn't know, you know, what's going on in your situation. We have an dedicated account manager. They're available for you pretty much every day, 7 days a week. You know, I'm not going to see 24 hours a day. Everybody has to sleep, but they're available for you pretty much every day, every week. So.
Yeah, and like an example, I got my terminals for my Barstow car wash, and they sent it out, and the pulse was a little off. So all I did was call them up, they fixed it there, and then unplug it, plug it back in, and it's reset, and it was good. So it's the way to go. MONEXgroup.
Yep.
Click the link in the description if you want to get them at your business now, right now. Okay, so we have shut the car wash show down. Everyone has left except for me. That's a mannequin, not a real human. Time to grab some southern food. Just little old me.